everybody, it's me again, Sky. Today I'm going to make a video of this brand new helicopter with remote controller. And we'll open it up later on. It includes a remote. Here's a remote. That's the helicopter. And the remote is like somewhere down there. Like down there. And it's the orange one. It's hard to say on the back that it's blue. And it's a supersized RC helicopter, as it says right here. And it's called a 3.5 channel helicopter. And its Cirrus 350 C999. And it's ages for 8+. And we can do indoor flight, rapid charge, and 3.5 channel, and 3 frequency channels, and it has channels to fly with friends. And you can do 3.5 channel with gyroscope, wireless, rechargeable helicopter, 3 built-in frequencies for flying with friends, heavy-duty design with real metal parts, built-in LED light, and it has an on and off button on the remote, and ABC words, and just keep it on in the middle. And there's a green button to charge it, and on the left you'll see a black button, and you click that and it will charge, just like that. And it has an L and R button to ST point trim. And that's it. And thank you for viewing my video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.